Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. With Sale-A-Bration coming to an end, I wanted to share another fabulous tutorial on how I created this amazing card. This card actually uses the Tags in Bloom Sale-A-Bration stamp set. So this one is one of the $100 level stamp sets, and it also coordinates with two of my very favorite punches that I'm absolutely loving right now, and that is the Label Me Lovely and Label Me Fancy punch. So this card actually uses the Label Me Lovely punch, and I want to show you how I created this fabulous card with those flowers on both ends of the little greeting. So you can see here's the image. The image doesn't actually have the greeting on the inside, that's just where they placed it on the layout here. So the image has this awesome little border and then flowers up on the top side. So I'm going to show you how I did that with this card. I used a piece of cardstock. This is Whisper White, measuring 3 inches by 3.5 inches. And I'm using Pretty Peacock ink. And I'm just going to ink up this image. And what you want to do is you want to stamp it where the label is centered, side to side, and the flowers are quite far up in the corner, because you need to make room for the flowers to be on the bottom side as well. So I'm just going to stamp that down. Voila. And then now I'm going to rotate it around, ink it up again, and then I'm going to line up that label edge, and then it will have that flower on the top side. So I'm actually stamping over that label a second time, and then the flowers will be on the top. And it's pretty easy to line it up because it is a photopolymer stamp. And I will also say that I tried to do this on my Stamparatus, but because the image is offset, either that or it's my math skills, but I wasn't able to get it because whenever I rotated it around, it ended up being off rather than having to be that exact same image. So now I'm just going to color it. I used Daffodil Delight and Mango Melody Stampin' Blends, as well as Old Olive for all of the greenery pieces. The other thing that I did was I took this dotted line image, stamped that on a piece of scrap Whisper White using Daffodil Delight ink. So that's this one here, and I'm just going to ink it up and stamp it down onto some Whisper White, and then stamp down that greeting. That greeting again is in Pretty Peacock, making sure I get the greeting going the right direction. And then now I'm going to punch that out with the Label Me Lovely punch. And then this will go right over the top right there. And of course I use Stampin' Dimensionals to really give a little bit of texture and dimension to that center focal point, but I'm going to wait to put that on after I color. The other thing that I wanted to show you with this card is on the background here I use that fabulous basket weave. So it gives an amazing texture, and then of course I offset it for a little extra focal point to really make it stand out. You could also layer those together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial showcasing how to use the Tags in Bloom stamp set to get that fabulous look with the flowers both on top and on bottom there. Don't forget that Sale-A-Bration ends on March 31st, so you definitely want to stock up on all of your stamping goodies and earn all of those Sale-A-Bration items that you're just loving right now. I'll leave links to a couple other videos so that you can see other things that I use during Sale-A-Bration and fun ways to use those products. Of course, everything that was used in this video will be in a link down below so that you can check those out and find them very easily. I'll have more pictures on my blog, laurastamppad.com, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!